Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to buy KuCoin on PancakeSwap. And it's a very simple process, but might not be so straightforward for a beginner. And by the way, this is not financial advice. I fully recognize that this is basically a gamble, and this is a gamble that I'm willing to make. So if you do decide to buy it, and that's how you do it. So first, you need to go to your exchange. I use Binance. And first of all, you have to understand that if you want to buy anything on PancakeSwap, which is a Binance chain-based platform, right? You would need to basically you have to use BMV, so Binance coin. So the first step is always to buy some BNB. But if you don't have any money on the exchange, you can do so by transferring some money into Binance exchange through Coinbase. This is how I do it because you cannot link a bank account with Binance. So I use Coinbase. The way you do it is to basically link your bank account and make a deposit. Once you make a deposit, you you turn your US dollar into whatever coin. Doesn't really matter. Then you send the coin to Binance, to a Binance wallet. So I basically send some USDC, which is stable coin, and now I'm gonna turn that into Binance coin. So here you go. Select from USDC to BNB max conversion. Maybe it can convert. Successful. Okay, view status. Now you have the Binance coin. You need to install a thing called MetaMask on your browser. I already have it here. So this is basically a wallet that exists on the browser that holds all your coins. So now you need to send the Binance coin into your MetaMask wallet. There are some setup you need to do in order for it to work correctly on the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. So and this is your wallet address. So there are some settings to do if you just installed it. I will put the link down below in the description so you can basically see how to set everything up. So yeah, so you need to go into settings and network, I think. Yeah, you will need to add a network because you don't have the Binance network when you first install it. Anyway, it should be pretty simple. And now you have the money here. Now we need to transfer it. Search for BMV. Yeah, BMV is right here. Withdraw. Click on withdraw. And the address is the one you see here on your MetaMask. Copy the address, put it in there. Make sure the network is BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. This is very important. Yeah, now this automatically matches, which was not the case. So it's pretty good. You wouldn't get this wrong. X can withdraw. PSCF must transfer. Supports network. Yep, check everything is correct. Binance Smart Chain and withdraw confirm. Continue. Okay. Email verification code. Click to get code. Okay. And this is your Google Auth on your phone. Okay, we are all set for now. We just need to wait for it to arrive in our wallet, and it should take no more than 3 minutes. So now we have received the Binance coin in our wallet. It's very quick. Actually took only like 10 seconds. So yeah. And now you need to connect it to your PancakeSwap. I already did so, and it's gonna automatically reflect in your balance. Now you need to go to trade, exchange, and swap. You need to swap the BNB tokens with whatever coin you want to buy. And for me, I'm gonna buy some pancake swap tokens. And you're gonna select max, and here we go. You click swap. Should be good. Confirm swap. Confirm. Can view it on BSC chain for the transaction. It says pending. Oh, okay, it's being executed. So you can see your cake balance here. And now we're gonna go to yep, and now we're gonna go to pools, and we're gonna stake our pancakes. So I already have some in the pool. Now I just need to add some more to it. Right, so you click on the plus sign here. To max, confirm. It's confirming, and boom, it's done. So our fund has already been staked. Cool. And it should be in the pool earning us interest. Not sure why it's not showing up. Zero pools. Oh, okay, now it's showing up correctly. So yeah, you can put it into the auto cake staking pool. It's gonna automatically staking all the cake you earn and the cake you put in. So it's like compounding interest. And it's currently at 144%. You can also do that manually, which will give you like 91% annualized percentage yield. So you might as well just save the trouble and put it in the cake pool. You will you'll basically earn cake. It's gonna automatically compound for you, and yeah, that should be it.